This is a strategy you can use if you're broke, have little to no money, but still want to make it as a day trader. Step 1. Leverage your screen time. Forget about the Lamborghini for a while. Your best asset is screen time. Download a free trading platform like TradingView and pick one chart. S&P 500, Bitcoin, whatever. Watch it, learn its rhythm. You're not trading money yet. You're building your edge, getting used to the market. This step is super important, but not as important as the other 2 steps. So listen up. Step 2. The demo account. Hack. Open a demo account. There are tons of free ones online. Most brokers hand you $50,000 in virtual cash. Treat it like real money. Risk only 1% per trade and track every win and loss. If you can't grow fake money, you're not ready to grow real money. Step 3. The secret nobody talks about. You can't cash out monopoly money. Demo accounts can only take you so far. That's where prop firms come in. It's the best and easiest way to trade on a budget. See, the way it works is you pay a small amount, pass one of their challenges, and then you're funded. And their accounts go as high as $100,000. Look, I'm not just some guy on the internet trying to sell you something. I'm giving you an actual solution to your problem. But it's up to you to take action and stop wasting time. But it's not an easy ride. So go get started right now, study charts, crush the demo account, and then fund your trading journey. I left a link in the pinned comment to the prop firm I most highly recommend. I wish that's how I got started. So click the link below and say goodbye to your $0 excuse.